Therefore many of his disciples, when they heard this, said,
This is a hard saying. Who can understand it?
When Jesus knew in himself that his disciples complained about this, he said to them,
Does this offend you? What then if you should see the Son of Man ascend where he was before? It is the Spirit who gives life. The flesh profits nothing. The words that I speak to you are spirit, and they are life. But there are some of you who do not believe.
For Jesus knew from the beginning who they were who did not believe and who would betray him.
Therefore I have said to you that no one can come to me unless it has been granted to him by my Father.
From that time, many of his disciples went back and walked with him no more. Then Jesus said to the 12,
Do you also want to go away?
But Simon Peter answered him,
Lord, to whom shall we go? You have the words of eternal life. Also we have come to believe and know that you are the Christ, the Son of the living God.